Tim Cook and Apple are huge fans of user privacy. They do this by locking down their phones via technology like Face ID, data encryption, and secure boot. And when AI gets added in their next phone, user data is going to be even more secure and locked down than it is right now. But how is this going to be possible? AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Gemini are known to be terrible when it comes to user privacy. ChatGPT's privacy policy states they can pretty much do anything with your chat history. One snippet from it says, ChatGPT, for instance, improves by further training on the conversations people have with it unless you choose to disable training. This is vague and essentially means OpenAI has free reign with your chat history as long as they don't do anything illegal with it. But don't worry though, because if you have an iPhone or plan on buying one, Apple is taking the complete opposite approach to OpenAI's. The company that Steve Jobs helped build wants to make users' phones so locked down that the NSA would have a hard time hacking them. So do you want to find out how Apple is going to lock down user data with their next-gen AI devices? Do you want to know what the most likely eye-opening AI tools and features will be on the next iPhone? Well, by the end of this video, you'll learn all about that and more. Plus, you'll see what big AI changes are in store for Siri. Apple is taking a novel approach to AI. According to sources, they're going to embed an AI model, which is rumored to be named Ajax, or sometimes known as Apple GPT, directly on their devices. So instead of making a web request to the cloud like ChatGPT does, iPhones will have an AI model living directly on them instead. And there's a lot of benefits to going this route. Two big ones really stand out. One, it will make your chat history completely private and secure. That data will not be sent to the cloud. It will stay completely on your device and no one, not even Apple, will have access to it. The only way someone could get it is via a search warrant or if your phone got hacked. Two, it will make AI chats on the iPhone extremely fast. The latency will be milliseconds instead of what can be seconds with cloud-based chatbots. The kicker is that no one is doing this right now, so when Apple releases on-device AI, it's going to be a big deal. But you might be asking why? Why is on-device AI going to be so transformative? Well, Tim Cook's company is going to take that locally stored LLM and do a lot of cool things with it. For example, it's speculated that the next iPhone will easily summarize long text messages. So the next time you get that 250-word novel long text from your friend or family, Apple will quickly summarize it for you. You'll no longer have to take 5 minutes out of your day to read a text message diatribe. Not only that, but Apple's AI will be able to summarize text message threads as well. So when you get out of that hour-and-a-half long work meeting, pull out your phone from your pocket, take a look at your notifications, and see that you've missed 200 messages from your family group text thread, you'll no longer have to skim through them all. Apple's AI will condense it into a few simple sentences. The AI model will also summarize notes for you in the Notes app, email apps, and web pages. That's the rumor, at least. It should also be able to help you write texts and emails too. One of the coolest AI integrations with the phone will be the new and improved Siri. This upgraded version should feel much more like talking to a real human being compared to talking to a kid's robot toy like it feels like right now. This is possible due to a technology Apple developed called Steer, which was designed to make conversations with tools like Siri feel more natural and human-like. This Steer technology will also eliminate the need to say, "Hey Siri," to wake it up. Siri will now automatically know if you're addressing it or not without any kind of prompts. But the most noteworthy AI feature that's speculated to be on the latest iPhone is artificial intelligence health analytics. Apple already has tons of metrics it uses to track your health, from heart and sleep monitors on its watch to activity, hearing levels, and fall detection on its phone. And it will now use AI to monitor and analyze all of that. So the new AI health app on the iPhone might be able to make health suggestions for you. It could do things like analyze your heart rate, sleep, and activity, and then suggest a custom workout routine to get those metrics in their optimal zones. It would then adjust your workout as these metrics change. This is just one example. One day it could realistically be used to diagnose your health and catch diseases before they spread. On top of all these new features, Apple will most likely allow external apps to tie into their on-device AI, only with the permission of the phone's owner, of course. Apple knows AI devices like the Rabbit R1 and Humane Pin can pose a competitive risk to them. By allowing external apps to use Apple's on-device AI, The iPhone should be able to do the same cool things that devices like the Rabbit R1 can do right now. You should be able to order an Uber just by asking Siri to get me an Uber for tonight's Knicks game. Have it pick me up at 6 p.m. In summary, these are just some of the examples of what might be possible with the new iPhone. And of course, all of this is speculation based on Apple's open source GitHub projects. But if I had to bet on it, a lot of these examples will become reality very soon on Apple's latest iPhone. So when June 10th comes around, be sure to tune into Tim Cook's WWDC keynote address. It's sure to have tons of information about the new iPhone's AI features. Features that will be really cool, but more importantly, lock down and secure your user data. That's it for tonight. If you want to learn more about Apple and AI, check out my other vid, Ferret, Apple's multimodal chatbot no one is talking about. And if you found this video interesting, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and my free AI email newsletter at fry-ai.com/subscribe. Have a great night. This is Ryan signing out. Take care.